Hello everyone. Do you need to remove backgrounds in just one click? Remove.bg makes it instant. Today I will show you how to cut out any image perfectly, no Photoshop, no hassle. Whether it's a portrait, products or thumbnails, remove.bg cleans the background with AI level precision. If you struggle with messy edges or slow editing, this tool will save you time. Let's see how remove.bg can transform your photos into clean professional cutouts. So this is the website address remove.bg. As you can see that if you can reach to this website by typing this address in your web browser, and you will get such kind of interface. Okay, so first of all we need to create an account here. Okay, so I'll just select the sign up button here. Okay, so this is a one-time process, you don't have to do it again and again. Okay, so I will click continue with Google, and then I will select my account. It will automatically fetch all of the details in just one click, and our account will be active and ready to use for removing the backgrounds. Okay, so let's see, continue. So finally our account is set up. Now I will select the upload image file, and let's see. So let's try this file, and now it has started working on this image, and let's see how the what kind of results we get, how much accuracy we get with the help of this. As you can see that it has just generated a very neat and clean background. You can see there is nothing in the background. Okay, so that's how you can do. If you think there are some mistakes in the editing, you want to do some more changes, you can go to this cutout tool and you can erase or restore your image. And in the effect section you can do like blur background, and you can also change the blur amount and as well as the opacity. And you can also go to the adjust section, you can crop. Okay, you can even expand, and in the design section you can add text element. Okay, and from this download button you can download this into your storage. So that's all about remove.bg, how you can use it and how you can download your background removed photos in just one click. So that's all for today. I will catch you in the next video. Till then,